of the politicians.
Okay, I think you should listen.
And I will specifically direct it also later to Shazia, and I'll tell you simply why, because BJP is the current ruling party, right? So 2 minutes. None of y'all should have any sort of moral high ground. Then be it you, sir, who represent Samajwadi Party, where your Abu Azmi says women are like gold, where your Mulayam Singh Yadav says, let me finish. No, let me finish.
Continue,
where your Mulayam Singh Yadav says once we come into rule, death penalty will be removed for rapists because men make mistakes.
Did he say that?
Yes, he said this.
Shocking.
This is what you're, let me complete.
Shocking.
Let me complete. Sir, let me complete. You rebutted with everything.
Shame,
you attack me also if you have to, but let me complete.
Shame.
Then, sir, be it you, be it Ovasi, sir, who refuses to condemn the Maulanas over years who've not stood up for women's rights every time they've been subject to triple talaq, but will oppose the triple talaq bill. You may call it a political agenda, but regardless, you all did not speak up against the Maulanas over years who've grossly misused the women and not stood up for their rights. Then Shiv Sena, I've already discussed my issues with Shiv Sena. Coming back to BJP. Let's get to the issue at hand. We don't need you all to condemn. We don't need you, Shazia, or any of your party people to say this is wrong. We will not even celebrate Modi ji waking up after 4 days to make one statement saying, I'm for the women of my country, for the children of my country. We are asking for accountability. We are asking for answers. Let me complete. Your Lal Singh and Chandar Ganga, who've resigned. Firstly, they should have been kicked out. We're demanding for their arrest. Ravindra Sharma from Congress, demanding for his resignation and arrest. B.S. Salatia, disbarment. That's what we're demanding for. Next thing, MLA Singer, kick him out from the BJP. Tell him at least pending investigation. Once investigation is complete and you've been proved innocent, then we will take you back.
Well said.
Strip him off his post, kick him out of BJP. Last thing, when he's making a remark, Modi ji should have come on record when he says, I'm for every citizen is a VVIP. He should have also condemned MLA Singer who made remarks about Michle Istar ke log, low class community. How dare he make a remark against the victim and his family? Shame on all of you all. Another thing, remove your member of parliament, Nand Kumar Singh Chauhan, who says this is a political conspiracy, what has happened in Asifa's case. None of you all have no shame?
Shame.
At this point, kick them all out of the BJP.
This is the moment.
Arrests against all of them, and these are our clear demands.
Absolutely,
and tomorrow we are
Shazia.
taking to the streets.
BJP should listen.
You all think people are going to keep quiet. This is not political. For us as women, and Shazia, you know this, no woman is safe in our country. You step out your subject, and I'm saying all of you politicians, all of you all have no shame. Every time you all will speak out only against the opposition party. 1 minute speak against your own party first. Condemn your own party politicians.
Yeah, exactly,
and say that my party is making these wrong statements. I object, or step aside. You all keep saying women should we not be in politics? Of course, be in politics, but have the gumption to condemn your party people openly, vocally, and not just come on record to condemn other people. And right now, we don't even care about a condemnation. We want arrest. We want resignation. We want these people to not hold elected positions anymore.